first thing he said to me was, he was born in 1918, 50 days after the Halifax explosion. And so if you can do the math, you can figure out his age. But I was thinking about this, and if you take all of the boys and girls in Miss JB's class and add up all your ages, because you're all around the age of 6, you still won't be as old as Mr. Morse. Okay? Isn't that right, Don?
I feel it today.
But you had your black coffee, so you're doing okay.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love, in all our songs command. Carton bras et portez la paix, il se portez la gloire. We remember on this day, soldiers on the hillside, far away, far away. Peace will come when people live in friendship, side by side, and cherish understanding more than hatred, greed, and pride. Peace will come when people see all people as the same, and no one has to live in fear, in ignorance, or shame. Remember to wear hockey on Remembrance Day. Remember, it represents those not with us today. Those young men and women, animals too, who gave up their futures for me and for you. Remember, it takes an effort to live peacefully. Has distributed copies all across our nation. People across the country give a small donation to buy a copy for Remembrance. The money that is raised helps veterans and their families and goes to other worthy causes. We're proudly over the heart. Each copy honors the courage and commitment of the hundreds of thousands of Canadians who have made great sacrifices to preserve our way of life. Once there was a long and terrible war, a war some called the Great War.